While the past few months have been a strange time for all of us, to all our customers, old or new, we hope you're all keeping safe and well at this time. We've been delighted by our online sales, with our Kite Boxes going out across the country. Even though we've been apart, we are still united through our desire to learn, teach and grow with our children in a fun way from home. Our STEM and art workshops will be starting again soon, and we cannot wait to see all those eager and happy smiling faces. Our workshops are completely interactive from start to finish, which we cover tracing, colouring, construction and of course flying our kites. The children learn everything through the medium of STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths, and by bringing these subjects to life, it helps the children tap into the creative flair in a very fun way. We have adapted the way we deliver our workshops and will continue to do so in line with changing government guidelines. Our live virtual workshops will now be delivered through video conference, while our outdoor workshops will be delivered while implementing safe social distancing.
Now in our 6-year business, delivering workshops to over 25,000 people.
Everyone at Go Fly Your Kite look forward to seeing you at a workshop soon.